outfit is inspired based on costumes that Margot Robbie wore in the Wuthering Heights movie. I saw costumes and her outfits, and I just really wanted to have something like that. And I did wear this to the bank today to open up my bank account for my business. So I would wear it doing, you know, a number of everyday things. It's fun. I want to have fun today. It has pockets, really deep pockets. Please subscribe to my channel. Deep pockets. This top is mostly polyester, and it laces up on both sides. And I put it on, I laced it up to the size that worked for me. And after that, it was really easy for me to just slide on and off of my, over the top of my head. So for me, I found it to be pretty stretchy. I probably should have demonstrated that while it was on me. See, it's really stretchy. It was very comfortable. The skirt is made out of polyester. It has a zipper up on the side. And it seems to be pretty well constructed. It has very deep pockets. It feels to me like a thick satin. You can see the stitching here, which looks like it's pretty good quality stitching. And it's finished. The seams are finished on the inside. There's no gathering on the, well, there's gathering here, but there's no elastic. There is elastic on the back. If, for example, the size says something like, for 26 to 29 inch waist, and your waist is 29 inches at the very upper limit of what they said, I think you might want to consider going to the larger size, because it's not, this is the amount of stretch that you've got there. Okay. Another deep pocket. It's a really beautiful skirt. These shoes are extremely comfortable. I didn't have any issue. I didn't have to break them in at all. They're just like this, really soft, and I've worn them a lot and walked a lot in them as I'm going around doing my errands around town. Just really, really pretty and very comfortable.